Go ahead, Callie. Show us how you can make Pink rock.
Rock, Callie, rock.
Can you rock
Rock
him?
and roll.
Can you rock him?
Rock.
No, let her do it herself, honey. Is that fun?
Did you get a picture of it already?
Oh, I'm taking a movie, honey,
Oh, wow.
because I want to see your rocket. Callie, can you rock it?
So you can always remember. So you can always remember, Callie.
Well, yeah, that, and so we could show Nana how Callie likes to ride Pink. Whoa.
Who gave me pink?
Santa.
Why can't I give me? Ow, Callie! Callie stepped on my finger.
Whoops. Okay, well, she's done riding Pink, I guess. Oh, she wants to put the cup back on him.
Hey,
So
Leah.
that goes over his horn. It's safe, right?
I thought it could be her hat.
Yay. You gonna rock some more?
Rock and roll, Callie. Rock and roll.